Oh, check this out, man. Look at this. Whoa, feels good to be back. And today I have a very special box I want to unbox. So it's a Money earphone that collab with Money sleeping cup. I wanted this box for the longest time and it finally arrived. Whoa, let me show you guys this. Look at this, it's filled. Alright, so it's filled. So inside the box, apart from the earphone, we have a little this thing. Let's open it up. It looks like a can bottle. It's a pink bottle with beer 5196 written on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very much Nothing branded. And can you open this? It looks like this. It looks exactly like a can. Wait, can you? I don't think so. Wait. Oh, so it's a reusable bottle. You can use it to put water or whatever in it. And it says, warning, this doesn't taste like nothing, which is the most nothing thing you can say. And I've been a nothing fan for years. So if you don't know, I've been daily drive this Nothing year 3 maybe for about a year already. It's been great. And I also have this Nothing year 1. Can't even tell, like it's already beaten up and shit. But I've been a Nothing fan literally from day one. I just really like the design. I also have the Nothing year A, which is the yellow version of this. I really love that. But unfortunately, I gave that to my grandmother because I think the supposed more premium version, which is this one, will be better. But in reality, I can't even tell a single difference between them. But this year 3 has been great. And the year 1, especially the yellow one, has been amazing. And that's why I'm so excited for this Nothing headphone. I don't really use big headphones, but since I've been traveling a lot and I'm going to travel a lot more in the future, I feel like an overhead headphone is just better for me when I was on a plane or the train ride. So I went for this one. It really sounds like a sponsor video, but it's not. I hope it is. But let's check out what else is inside the box. So apart from a bottle, you also have this bag which says Nothing A and Monday Sleeping Club. What's inside? It feels soft. Feels like a plushie or something. So you have this pillow thing, sleeping club, maybe it's a pillow thing, and this thing looks like an egg. Wait, what is this? Oh, so I think you put this on an ear cup. Wait, then we need to open up the earphone itself then. And also you have a little poster card. I never heard of Money Sleeping Club. Whatever you are, I am a fan now. But anyways, let's unbox the star of the show, the Nothing headphone A. Oh my god, I waited this for a long time. I just really love the yellow, especially the Nothing yellow. I just think they look super dope. And inside you have this box. Wait, let me open this. Okay. So, ooh, look at this Nothing headphone A. Let me try this. Okay, so it's right and left. Alright, whoa. I haven't turned it on and the noise cancellation has been nuts. I can barely hear myself talk. Wait, let's check what else is inside the box. So there's also another section. Oh, so it's a bag that can hold your earphone. There's like 2 sections inside, which is cool. What else? So a manual, I don't think I need that. And 2 cables. One for headphone jack and one for charging. Wow, this noise cancellation has been crazy. I can't even hear anything. Let me check out this. So this is complimentary. So I guess you just do it like this, right? It's snuck in very nicely. Let me do the other side, the egg side. Whoa, this is what it looks like when you assemble everything. Let me put it on. Alright, so it looks like this. I don't know if it looks good, but it looks very cool, you know, for a headphone. Very unique. And yeah, I guess that's about it. I'll definitely enjoy this headphone. If you like tech content just like this, please like and sub. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.